filed beyond 60 days, denied non-compliance, violation of single period policy, case not compensable, doctor not accredited, okay? Lahat ho yan by the billions of pesos, okay? Lakihan natin. Ito po. 3 billion ang 60 days. Non-compliance, 2.5 billion. Violation single period policy, 2.8 billion. Doctor not accredited, 1 billion. Okay? And you have 45 days and non-compliance to standard of care. It's almost 1 billion. Now, ano ho ang problem? Sabi ni COA. Ito po, timing issues, non-compliance, timing issues, non-compensable, non-compensable, timing issues, non-compliance. Lahat ho, umiikot lang dyan sa tatlong bagay na yan. So, what's the point? Okay? If you own a hospital, you're managing one, you're running a hospital, again, no, you're the alpha doctor in your organization or your institution, okay? If there's low revenue, no revenue, mataas yung RTH and denied ninyo, okay, umiikot lang yan dito. Number 1, documentation. Number 2, timing issues. Timing issues, non-compensable. Okay? Non-compliance. You're losing billions of pesos because of that. It's clerical. Okay? Yung problema ho, clerical. Okay? You don't need a scientist to do that, to solve it. It's clerical. Okay? And 90% of this is preventable. Okay? Question. Tanong ko ho. Doon ho sa data, okay, ulitin ko ha. Alam mo, you're here because you have a problem. I'm pretty sure you have an idea what is your problem. So I just gave you the data of COA. Okay? Now, question. Do you agree that the cause of the problem, be it RTH or denied, it is preventable? Okay? Type yes if you agree, type no if you do not agree. Okay. Okay, yes, we have yes. Okay. Okay, we have yes. We have yes, 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 yes. Okay, thank you very much po. Okay, thank you, Doktora. It's preventable. Okay? Now, ito is stress ko. Ang pinag-uusapan kasi natin dito is clinical claims management. Itong topic ho ng claims na tinuturo ko sa inyo, okay? May subtopic ho ito. Ang main the branch of discussion or the branch of topic or rather, under ho ito sa health finance. From health finance, bababa ho ito sa clinical claims management. Okay? Lahat ho ng discussion dito sa claims ng hospital, ang labeling ho na yan sa abroad, clinical claims management. Yung problema ho ninyo, natin sa Pilipinas sa claims, it's the same ho sa abroad. Ang problem is documentation. Okay? And the source of the problem or the main cause of the problem is 90% preventable. Okay? So yun po. Ito yung question ko sa inyo. Kapag claims ang pinag-usapan, the information that you write in the claim forms, the majority of it, sino po ang source ng majority of the information ng claims na pinapadala ninyo? Ang tanong, sino ang source ng majority? Can you name that profession or that person in your hospital? Sino po or saan ba galing yung source, yung majority ng source ng information sa claim ninyo? Okay, thank you po. Doctors, di ba? Kasi nga, pinag-usapan natin, 80% of the content of the claim forms are clinical. Thank you po, doctors. So, I hope you agree ha. Ang source ho, the majority comes from the clinicians, which are the doctors. So, if this is preventable, okay, kung preventable ho yung problema ninyo ng RTH and denied, sino ho yung ititry natin? Okay? Can you answer the question? If you agree that all of these are preventable, sino ho yung priority na dapat i-train ninyo to solve the problem sa hospital ninyo? Okay? It's the doctors. Okay. Doctors, you have the doctors, you have the doctors, you have the doctors. Okay. Okay, malinaw. Diba? Question. Are your doctors willing to be trained? Kindly please type yes or no. Okay? No. No. Yeah. No. Super no. Maganda yung sagot. Are your doctors willing to be trained? Okay. Oh, yes. Si Joy. Okay, Joy. So, what about the others? Are they willing to be trained? Okay. No. Busy and indifferent. I totally agree with you. Okay. Bakit ba ganun? Parang aso, you can teach them new tricks. Doc. Okay, Doc. Okay, mga kaibigan natin yung Doc, ha? Okay. Actually, pwede ho silang turuan. Okay? It's not that sad or it's not that bad. Initially medyo struggle, but once you get to once you basically discuss it with them, pwede naman ho talaga. Okay? So, again, no, ang nililinaw ko dito, okay, I'll go back to the slide. Okay? And I'll go back to the slide. Ito po. So, yung RTH and denied, galing kay Kuwa, pinapakita ko sa inyo na matagal na ho ito. Now, the generalization is this, okay? Hospitals and doctors are repeating the same mistake, okay? So, it's basically more than a decade, okay? Lalo na po sa denied na non-compliance to standard of care. Okay, relax lang po. May solusyon ho dyan, okay? So, going back to the slide, the real scenario is paulit-ulit ho ito. Okay? Sa data ni COA, it's 2011 to 2020. Now, how and when does the error occur? Okay? Ito po, I'll give you 10 to 20 claims principles. No? I'm going to discuss principles. I'm going to inject problems. And there will be sidebars. Okay? Na ipapakita ko sa inyo. Yung principles, these are basic truth or fundamentals on claims. When we talk of sidebar ho, these are additional stories or incidental stories about the topic. Okay po. Now, here's claims principle number 1. Okay, if you have a pen, if you have your cell phone with you, take a screenshot or an image of this. Number 1, ang PhilHealth ho is basically information lang ho. Yan. Okay? We will simplify the approach. Information lang po. So, now, there are 3 types of information. You have the clinical information, okay? You have the non-clinical information, and you have the financial information. Okay? So, it's self-explanatory. Now, clinical comes from the clinician. Non-clinical, I'm talking here about patient demographics. The financial information, this is mostly financial facts. Okay? These are the charges, these are the taxes, out-of-pocket expenses. So, ang claims ho ninyo, okay, is basically information. Kasi yan lang ho yung hinihingi ni PhilHealth sa inyo. Your claims will be paid for as long as you can provide the right information. Anong information yan? Yung tatlo. Clinical, non-clinical, and you have the financial information. Okay? That's principle number 1. Okay. Please type yes if naintindihan ninyo. Type no if hindi ninyo naintindihan. May I know? Okay?